Hello everybody. So we're talking the top 3, all right? The top 3 healthiest foods that human beings can eat on the planet, all right? And you know, it's funny because I really, we're just basically gonna define what healthy is in this video, okay? Let's talk about how you feel when you eat, okay? That's really what healthy means, okay? Nobody can really say that this is healthy or unhealthy for a certain person, right? We are all on our own individual path and our own individual journey here on earth. So it's important to remember that what's healthy for me may not be healthy for you. For example, if you're diabetic, you know, fruit is wonderful. Dates, though, are very high in sugar, and it's a fructose sugar, which, yes, is good for me. I can eat like 10 dates because I'm not diabetic. If you hand a person 10 dates that's diabetic, they're going to be in trouble, right? So they need more, you know, cleansing fruits, more juicy fruits. And that's just, you know, something I really want to bring up in this video is how to determine what is healthy, okay? And we're going to talk about the top 3 food groups, all right? Most people are going to say fruits and vegetables, right? I'm just going to get into it right now. Number 1, fruits, obviously. Number 2, vegetables, right? And that's defined very loosely. For example, a cucumber is a fruit. A tomato is a fruit. Anything bearing seed is a fruit. So really, you know, when I think about vegetables, I'm thinking about like greens, that, you know, is in the vegetable category. You know, you want to get your dark leafy greens, all that good stuff. Now, to me, those are very obvious. Those are extremely obvious. You need alkaline, juicy fruits, vegetables, salads, smoothies. I mean, that's obvious, okay? Really, this is number 3, okay? Are you ready? It's grains, and not just any grains. I'm talking about alkaline grains. Shout out to Dr. Sebi. You know, if you haven't researched Dr. Sebi, please research this man. He is the only one. Dr. Robert Morris hasn't done this. Nobody has done what Dr. Sebi has done, and that is clinically prove in a jury, in a court of law, that he cured AIDS, cured everything from cancer, you name it. So over 60 eyewitnesses appeared in the courtroom and testified for Dr. Sebi. So, you know, and if you go on his retreats or if you go on any of his research and you talk about what he does, it's basically alkaline food. You know, he doesn't even talk about, you know, fruit only or anything. You know, it's all about the herbs. It's all about nature, right? So that's obvious here. Anything that comes from the earth is obviously healthy, right? You know, if you're a human being with like me, like everyone else, we need fruits, animals. Lions are obviously carnivores. You know, we're not getting into that. It's a teeth structure. It's an intestine thing. You know, our bodies, it's just our anatomy, okay? You know, I see so many people in the raw vegan community or in the vegan community just tossing out grains altogether, and it's just simply not true, okay? You need alkaline grains. Now, when I'm saying that, please be mindful. If you're toxic load, if you're really toxic or obese, then yes, just stick with the fruits. Stick with the salads if you can do it, you know? It's all about willpower, and please, this is so important because someone like myself, you know, I thrive on alkaline grains. I can make some amazing alkaline vegan, you know, pancakes, right? With really good quality alkaline grains. And teff is probably my number 1, right? It's alkaline. That's, you know, in Ethiopia, you know, tens of thousands of years, these people living off of grains. You know, that as much as we all envision this beautiful, you know, utopia of fruit and Adam and Eve style, you know, that was a long time ago. You know, grains are important. So please just be mindful about alkaline grains and, you know, always eat whole food, plant-based, guys. Thank you so much. Just eat these top 3 foods and you will not go wrong, whether it's weight loss, achieving more energy naturally, get rid of that mental brain fog. You know, let's wake up, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Much love.